In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a complete human resource automation system built entirely in n8n, one of the most powerful no-code tools out there. We'll start with a quick overview, and then go deep into each automation, explaining every single node and what it does, step by step. If you want the JSON files, prompts, or even help building your own version, join our free Facebook community today. Okay, so whether you're managing onboarding, leave requests, birthdays, or performance reviews, this video will show you how to automate it all like a pro. So what are we automating here? In total, we've built 4 powerful HR workflows: new employee onboarding, automates welcome emails, orientation calendar events, and updates your employee database. Performance review. Reminder, sends alerts to managers for upcoming reviews so no one forgets them. Leave request management. Handles leave requests, auto-approves short leaves, updates tracking sheets, and notifies the team. Birthday and work anniversary wishes. Sends personalized greetings with AI-generated images to employees on their special day. Now let's break down each one node by node. Let's start with onboarding. I've added a new row in the new hires Google Sheet with basic employee info. Instantly, the system kicks off. A welcome email is sent to the new hires Gmail. A calendar invite for orientation is created for 9 to 11 a.m. A message is posted in the team's Telegram group, tagging the manager. And finally, the employee is added to the master database. We start with the Google Sheets trigger. This watches for new rows in our new hires sheet. Whenever HR adds someone, this kicks off the workflow. Next, a function node converts the joining date and birthday from serial numbers into readable dates. It also calculates 9 a.m. and 11 a.m. orientation times. After that, we send a welcome email using the Gmail node. It's a personalized message that goes directly to the new hire. There's also an Edit Fields Plus function node here to prepare the data for calendar or handle corrections if needed. Then we create the Google Calendar event for orientation, scheduled exactly on the joining date between 9 and 11 a.m. Then we use Telegram to notify the manager or HR group chat, just a heads up that someone's starting. We follow that up with an append row action to move the employee into the employee master database sheet. Now let's look at how the system handles upcoming performance reviews. Every morning it scans the review schedule sheet. If an employee has a review coming up in the next 7 days, their manager gets a reminder via email and a quick alert in Telegram. I am using a manual trigger, but for real-time use cases you can use a scheduled trigger and set it to every morning at your desired time. This workflow starts with a manual trigger. The Google Sheets node reads the employee review schedule. A function node checks which employees have reviews due in the next 7 days. From there, we send a Gmail reminder email to the manager, reminding them of the upcoming review. We also send a Telegram message to notify the manager via chat. And finally, a second function node handles any fallback logic or adds calendar integration if needed. Next, we've automated the leave request process. When an employee submits a leave form, the system checks the duration. If it's a short sick leave, 2 days or less, it auto-approves. Otherwise, it logs the leave as pending and notifies the manager. This starts with a webhook node triggered by a form submission. You can understand it, like an employee will send an email or text to request a leave. For real-time case, you can connect Slack or HubSpot or any other platform you are using. The next function node calculates leave duration based on the start and end dates. Then we use an IF node to decide. If it's a sick leave and it's 2 days or less, it's auto-approved. On the auto-approved path, we update the Google Sheet with status equals approved. Send a confirmation email to the employee. On the pending path, we log the leave as pending, notify the manager via Telegram for review. This way, simple leaves are automated, and only complex ones need manual handling. And finally, let's add some joy to HR with birthday and anniversary wishes. Every morning, the system checks the master sheet for any birthdays or work anniversaries today, uses OpenAI to generate a cute celebration image, sends it in an email, or posts it in a team Telegram group. This one runs daily and starts by reading the employee master database. The Get Birthday Anniversary Code node checks if today matches any birthdays or work anniversaries. There's also a Smart IF node to decide which type of greeting to send, birthday or work anniversary. Then we use OpenAI's image generator to create a unique birthday or anniversary image. We convert the image string into a file using Convert to File, and then attach that in an email using Gmail node. And we optionally post the image and message on Telegram to share the joy with the team, and that's a complete end-to-end human resource automation system, all inside n8n. From onboarding to offboarding, birthdays to performance, this setup saves your HR team hours of repetitive work every week. It's a basic demo version which can be transformed into real-time automation by just connecting the prospect's desired integrations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-code automation tutorials. See you in the next video.